Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Suraksha and kindly ignore my background. Right now I am cutting alus, like I'm preparing lunch as always. So for today it's Friday. Yesterday I couldn't be able to go to bank, so today I had to go to bank, and also I have to go for grocery also. So that's the plan for today. I will make lunch, I will have it, and then I go to market because I need to deposit money in the bank, and also I need to buy some groceries, mostly vegetables, because like other things are already filled up because it's the beginning of the month. So all the other spices are filled up. I just need to buy some vegetables only. So today I'm making aloo and duku. So yeah, this is new potato in the market, and this is much better than other potatoes. So I really like the small potatoes. Do comment in, let me in the comment box if you like big potatoes or if you like small potatoes, this kind of potatoes. I really like this one. And also I got another thing. Ta-da! So this is so cute, it looks really cute. So because of that I got this for my kitchen. And also we have another set for this, another pot with this. I don't know where that is right now, but this one is we haven't yet used. We have started using another which we got in the set. So yeah, this is so good, so cute, new addition to our kitchen. So yeah, like yeah, that's that. And also it's cold outside. It's a bit sunny but not that hot, so I'm wearing this jacket. And also yesterday again we added 2 hens, like chicken in our, I cannot say farm, it's not that big. So I will show you that 2 chicken also, after some chicken, innocent hen, 2 hen. I will show you after that also. It's not both are not that big, it's smaller. So I will show you that also. So yeah, I will see you guys after some time. Sometimes in a sense about I have work, guys. I have to do lots of work. Household works never end. What do you think? Do you feel like that, or I am the only one who feels that household work never ends? If I finish one thing, another comes up. If I finish that another one, then another add up. I don't know when this household gonna end, but still I quite enjoy also. So yeah, maybe I will see you guys directly after when I get ready to go to market, because also as already like always I don't have much things to do today also. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. And also I will show you our 2 hens. They are little bit bigger than these 2. This is our new 1 and 2. They both are female, and this is also our old one. Altogether we had 5 old one and 2 new one, but I have give 1 to one of my sisters. So because of that we only have 1. We only have what, 4 now, and that's our local foot mat. checking in after so many hours. So I came back from market. I brought some vegetables, like some groceries. I got tomato, onion, some cucumber and radish, all this. I got all this, and also I went to bank. I deposit money, and also I had some problem going on my account, so I solved that also. So finally everything is done. Now I will make tea and I'll have that. It's already 5 in the evening, so I don't have much things to do now. So I will end this vlog here only. I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, it was really cold, and also I got headache, so I will make tea and rest for a while. And my husband promised me today that he will cook dinner, so I will rest. Okay, this much for this video. I will see you guys another video. Till then, take care of yourself. May God bless you.